almost about to lose my faith. Was still dreaming, feared it was too late. But then you came along to my surprise, and stole my heart before my very eyes. You took me right